How to prepare and operate your V-Series heavy-duty range. In this video, we will cover how to prepare your Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty range for initial use. We will demonstrate how to light the pilots, verify burner operation, and equipment shutdown. We will also review initial operating suggestions, which include seasoning, burn-off, and general tips. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule, contact your sales representative. Before first use. Before using your V-Series heavy-duty range, remove any debris or packaging material from the unit. This includes any plastic zip ties and external laser paper shipped with the unit. Wiping down griddle surface prior to use. Before using your griddle, the protective coating that was applied at the factory must be completely removed with a commercial degreaser. After a thorough cleaning, apply a high-temperature, salt-free frying oil, and you're ready to use the griddle. Oven burn-off. New ovens require a burn-off period to break in the oven and eliminate unappetizing odors from penetrating the food product. Turn on gas to the unit and set the thermostat to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the oven to operate at this temperature for 30 to 45 minutes. Lighting pilots and verifying burner operations of open-top burners, griddles, standard and convection ovens. All burner configurations are equipped with standing pilots, allowing for instant appliance use and low maintenance. Lighting should be infrequent, except during initial startup or after a full appliance shutdown. First, we will show you how to light the open-top burner's standing pilot on a V-Series heavy-duty range. A multi-purpose lighter will be needed for lighting standing pilots. Lighting pilots on open-top burners and griddles. Here are some of the key parts of the Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty range that will be utilized in this video. Turn on the main gas supply valve for the range to the on position. Light all standing pilots using a multi-purpose lighter. For griddles, pilot access can be reached under the griddle plate through the slotted opening in the manifold cover near the burner valve knob. After the pilot is lit, turn the burner valve knob to on to ensure operation. Turn the burner valve knob to the off position to shut off the burner. The standing pilots will remain lit. Note: if burners fail to light, turn off all valve knobs. Refer to your operation manual or call an authorized installation or service technician. Lighting the pilot on a standard and convection oven base. Next, we will cover how to light the pilot on your range's oven base. Turn the thermostat to the off position. Ensure the main gas supply valve to the range is in the on position. Lift up the kick panel and rotate down 90 degrees. Depress the red button on the safety valve and light the pilot through the opening in the burner box area. Hold the red button down for at least 30 seconds. When the red button is released, the pilot should remain lit. Pilot flame must be high enough to heat the thermocouple. Return the kick panel to the original position. Note: if the oven fails to light, turn the temperature control dial to off. Refer to your operation manual or call an authorized installation or service technician. Operation. Standard oven operation. To ensure your standard oven is operational, turn on gas valve. Turn the oven control dial to the desired temperature to ensure operation. To turn the oven off, turn the oven control dial to the off position. Pilot will remain lit. Note: if ignition fails, turn the temperature control dial to off. Turn off the main gas supply and refer to your operation manual. Convection oven operation. To ensure your convection oven is operational, turn on the fan switch. This switch must be flipped to on, otherwise the oven will not operate. Turn on gas valve. Turn the oven control dial to the desired temperature and ensure operation. To turn off your convection oven, turn the oven control dial and fan switch to off position. Pilot will remain lit. Note: if ignition fails, turn the fan switch and oven control dial to off. Turn off the main gas supply and refer to your operation manual. Shutting down. For nightly shutdown, turn all burner valves or thermostats to the off position. Pilots will remain lit. Convection ovens will additionally need the fan switch turned to off. For complete range shutdown, turn off all control knobs, extinguish all standing pilots, turn off the main gas supply valve to the range, and fan switch for convection ovens. General cleaning. Exterior surfaces may be cleaned using a soft cloth and mild detergent. Do not use highly chlorinated or alkaline detergents to clean the exterior or interior components of the range, as these types of solutions can lead to easy degradation of the components. Do not use scouring powder. It is extremely difficult to remove completely. It can build up accumulations that will damage the oven. Cleaning stainless steel. Here are a few simple cleaning procedures that have been found effective for keeping stainless steel equipment sparkling clean. Use ordinary soap or detergent and water for routine cleaning of stainless steel. To prevent water spots and streaks, rinse thoroughly with warm water and wipe dry with a soft, clean cloth. The addition of a rinsing agent will also help prevent spotting. General maintenance. Seasoning is an important first step when using cast iron. Seasoning forms a natural, easy-release cooking surface that helps prevent the cast iron from rusting. It may take a little extra care, but well-seasoned cast iron is more durable. To season open-top burners, remove top grates from the range top to carry out initial seasoning. Do not season the grates while installed on the range top. Once grates are removed from range, apply or rub in a light coating of liquid vegetable or spray-type cooking oil to each grate. After seasoning, replace grates on the range. Turn on all open-top sections to low and allow to burn for at least 15 minutes before using pots or pans on the range top. Failure to season grates may cause grates to rust. Upon initial use, grates may show white coloring. This will go away over time with proper seasoning care. Use water and stiff wire brush on the grate, followed by immediate drying before the next seasoning, will help preserve the cast iron color. Precautions. When scraping off heavy deposits of grease or oil from stainless steel equipment, never use steel scrapers. Particles of steel may become embedded in the surface of the stainless steel. These will rust, causing unsightly stains and possible contamination of food. Where it is necessary to scrape, use wood, plastic, or rubber tools. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan range. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.